this video we are going to unbox the Microsoft Surface Pro 11th. Let's unbox it. This is the next stage in PC technology as it comes with a neural processing unit. This laptop comes in different colors: light blue, sand, silver and black. Look at that. Isn't it wonderful? Light blue is one of my favorite colors, so I really couldn't miss to buy this. On the surface you can see the Microsoft logo, which is reflective, and it really stands out. And you can see at the bottom there is a connector for the keyboard, and inside the box there is an instruction manual and the recharger. The laptop has two USB-C ports on one side, and on the other side you have the recharger connector. At the bottom you have the connector for the keyboard over here, and at the top you have the volume buttons and the power button. The design is very nice and elegant. Look at this, isn't it fantastic? If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about technology, digital art and travels. See ya!